This is the brief on MainTrack Pro V2. Unplanned manufacturing downtime is a massive profit killer, but the real culprit usually isn't the broken tools themselves. It's the slow, manual paper trails and bureaucracy required just to fix them. Think about a race car pit stop. If the crew had to actually fill out paperwork before changing a tire, well, the race would be completely over. First, MainTrack Pro V2 eliminates that administrative lag with one-touch digital speed. Instead of pushing paper, technicians simply scan a machine's QR code using an industrial tablet. It's a crazy fast four-step workflow. They scan the QR code, select their digital permits, get instant remote supervisor approval, and then immediately execute and sign off on the repair. But wait, doesn't moving this fast on a heavy industrial plant floor sound like a safety hazard? Well, second, this speed is actually paired with strict, unbypassable safety compliance. We're talking hard-coded digital lockout-tagout and hot work permits. A technician literally cannot bypass the safety checklist. In fact, those main diagnostic forms stay completely locked until a remote supervisor reviews the risks and signs off digitally. So what happens to all this digital activity data? Finally, moving online turns every single scan and repair into hard data. A live dashboard tracks exact failure types, whether mechanical, electrical, or software, monitors mean time to repair, and checks spare parts right in the inventory toolkit. It basically turns a blind guessing game into a predictable science, giving engineering exactly what they need to boost overall equipment effectiveness. Ultimately, MainTrack Pro V2 transforms expensive downtime into runtime by combining rapid digital workflows with enforced safety and real-time analytics.